Right. So today also you'll need a lot of paper because there's a lot of writing involved. Okay. Now this is a writing passage. Okay. I will not tell you what it is, what sort of a passage it is, but it's a writing passage. So I'm going to read it for you once. Then you will have to read it, and I will give you marks according to it. Accordingly, right? The Sri Lanka national men's cricket team, nicknamed the Lions, represent Sri Lanka in men's international cricket. It is a full member of the International Cricket Council with Test, One Day International, and T20 international status. The team first played international cricket as Ceylon in 1926-27 and were later awarded Test status in 1981, which made Sri Lanka the 8th Test cricket playing nation. The team is administered by Sri Lanka Cricket. Sri Lanka's national cricket team achieved considerable success beginning in the 1990s, rising from underdog status to winning the Cricket World Cup in 1996 under the captaincy of Arjuna Ranatunga. Since then, the team has continued to be a force in international cricket. The Sri Lankan cricket team reached the finals of the 2007 and 2011 Cricket World Cups consecutively. They ended up being runners-up on both occasions. Now, take a screenshot and practice this, right? And start writing the answers for these. I will give you about 5 minutes to practice this. And once you're confident that you have practiced it well, you can start writing the answers. Okay? All right. Did you take a screenshot of this? Because I'm going to expand this.
Yeah, okay, miss.
You only Sanju answer.
No, miss.
Okay. No. No. Right. Hold on. Take a screenshot. Oh, Tarindi disappeared.
Miss,
Yes.
miss, what is this last line to?
Can't you see?
Oh no, miss. How to pronounce that?
That you have to find out. No, it's okay. What is it? The last two words?
No, miss. Last line, second word.
Consecutively.
Okay.
Okay, right.
Okay. Thank you.
Tarindi, I thought we had lost you. Okay, so start writing your answers for these, and I will give you about 5 minutes to practice the reading as well, and then you will have to read. Now it's 7:42. By 7:47, I will be taking your reading. Shall we read?
Okay, miss. The Sri Lanka national men's cricket team, nicknamed the Lions, represents Sri Lanka in men's international cricket. It is a full member of the International Cricket Council with Test, One Day International and T20 international status. The team first played international cricket as Ceylon in 1926 and 27 and were later awarded Test status in 1981, which made Sri Lanka the 80th Test cricket playing nation. The team is administered by Sri Lanka Cricket. Sri Lanka's national cricket team achieved considerable success beginning in the 1990s, rising from underdog status to winning the Cricket World Cup in 1996 under the captaincy of Arjuna Ranatunga. Since then, the team has continued to be a force in international cricket. The Sri Lankan cricket team reached the finals of the 2007 and 2011 Cricket World Cup consequently. They ended up been runners-up on both occasions.
Right. For everyone who got this wrong, consecutively.
Consecutively.
Consecutively. Okay. Now, right. Write the answers for 2 and 3 and send it to me. 7:53. By 8, I need answers for both. Okay. Girls, I got Sanju's one, so I'm moving on to the next. He had sent it quite a while ago, but okay. Sanju, girls,
madam.
yes, this is the next one.
Okay, ma'am.
Using as many details and adjectives as possible, a minimum of 5. අඩුම 5 sentences තියෙනවනේ. ඊට වඩා තියෙන තරමට හොඳයි. මේක මට details and adjectives you have to use as accurately as possible and as much as possible, as many as possible. Girls, are you all there? Are you okay?
Miss,
Yeah. Tell me.
Miss, for the last question, we have to get sentences from the passage, or we have to make sentences.
You have to make sentences. You have to add something that you think is matches the whole thing.
Okay.
පංචු එක ඇහුවෙන් පස්සේ වෙනස් කරන්න හිතනවද උත්තරේ?
Sorry, miss.
Right. No, didn't you hear what Gayashini said?
No, miss, I can't hear.
So what Gayashini said was expository writing the කරේ ඔයා?
Yes, miss.
Right. Okay, if you think so, that's fine.
Miss,
Yes.
can I
Tell
go
me.
for another activity?
Right, sure. Currently, I'm keeping this. Is that okay? Currently?
Okay, Miss.
Right. I got Tarindi's and Sanju's. Gayashini, is it okay if I move forward? Gayashini, can you take a screenshot of this? Gayashini?
Miss? Sorry, miss.
Can I move forward?
Okay.
Right. Write a letter to your Grama Seva Niladhari requesting action regarding the stagnant water near your house, breeding dengue mosquitoes. Use the proper formal letter format and vocabulary. Grama Seva Niladhariට කියන්නලු ගෙදර ළඟ තියෙන අර ගලා නොයන වතුර නිසා ඩෙන්ගු මදුරු ඇති වෙනවා ඒකට මොකක් හරි ඇක්ෂන් එකක් ගන්න කියලා. Okay, හරියට formal letter format එක තියෙනවා නැත්නම් 10ම නෑ. Formal letter needs to look like a formal letter. Right, now I'll be taking your speeches at about 9:15. So whatever you're doing at that by that time, you have to be ready for the speech by 9:15. Okay. Everyone understood?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay, Gayashini. Sanju? Tarindi?
Yes, Miss.
Sanju, are you okay?
Yes, miss. Yeah.
Okay. 9:15 speeches. Is there anyone ready with the speech?
Yes, Miss.
Right. Right, let's start. Sanju,
Yes, Miss. Yeah, okay.
let's start.
Yeah. Hello everyone. I'm Sandishan. My topic is migrating to developed countries in the only way to succeed in life. Uh, we all know Sri Lanka is an underdeveloping country, so that there is no proper development for many decades. Many reasons are affect to this situation, from the bottom to top and top to bottom of every industries should be a responsibility for this situation. Finding a good job and getting enough salary is really difficult to do in here, so that many people try to go abroad to make money to have a comfortable life. So as under developing country, I think this is the best way to be a success.
Right. Okay.
Thank you.
Hmm. Okay. Who's ready next? Who's going next?
Miss, I will do.
Who is that? Gayashini or Tarindi?
Dayashini.
Right. Okay.
Good evening, all. Let me explain you why should we migrate to a developed country. I think migrating to another developed country like Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and more is the better solution for our success. We can move to a new culture, new lifestyle with new citizens. We can get financial security and live in a political and social stable country when comparing our country. And mainly we can get life satisfaction, positive emotions. And main thing is, I think, future generation, our kids can get chance to live in a stable and prosperous country. They can learn with multiple nations, with higher technology, and most important thing is they find good ethical environment to build up their life and develop their life. And also we can get high quality medical care and high living standards. Most of developed countries equally treat men and women. It also a massive advantage for migration. And when considering their mindset, they have positive developing mindset. They are multi-skilled people, and they give equal chance to develop our careers according to our talents and our qualification without favoration. And World Migration Report 2020 says per day there are 70% of people who are in developing and poor countries think to migrate to another country for their future success. So I think migration is the opportunity for the people to improve their life and their families. Mainly people get rid of their power life, especially in developing countries like us. Thank you.
Right. Thank you. Tarindi, ready?
Yes. Can you hear me, Miss?
Yes, yes.
Good afternoon, all of you. I am Tarindi. Today, I am going to speak about most popular topic about politicians. But today, my topic is not all politicians are bad. There are many politicians in Sri Lanka. They always try to develop our country. I like, say, for example, One, they repair road in the villages, developing school, helping poor people these days, fighting with people lives. They do many things for the country. Some of politicians are work hard to develop our country. We discuss other countries. So we can't tell they are bad. They're fighting for the people needs. So we won't expect to them. Thank you.
Right. Thank you. Okay. Have you, I think Sanju can lead. Sanju, you finished all of the parts, right? Sanju,
Yes, miss.
you
Yes,
have
miss.
finished. Tarindri and Gayashini has also sent me the picture, ne? Right. Then have we all finished all the components for the day?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Right. Check. Okay. Check. So you should have done this, this, this,
Yes.
this, 3, 4, 5.
And yes.
Okay, right. Then I will see you all next week. Give me some time. I won't be able to bring the assessment marks right now. These days I'm a bit busy myself. But as soon as possible, I will send it to you all. Okay, bye. Good night. Thank you so much for staying today. About 30 minutes extra for me. Means a lot. Thank you so much. And sorry for any inconvenience. Bye. Good night.
Bye, miss. Good night, miss.